To delete a resource group, you can go to your resource groups, select the resource group you want to delete, and in the overview page of that resource group, you can go up to delete resource group. The resource group name must be used in the text box below in order to delete it, and I can conveniently come and copy the name of the resource group and paste it below, and then confirm deletion. Note that all the resources within my resource group will be permanently deleted after this. This is a great way to clean up resources and keep your Azure tenant organized and save on costs for resources that are not in use. After a few minutes, you can refresh your resource groups and see that your resource group that you deleted should no longer be there. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.